Draw an isometric view of a circle of 60 diameter by using 4 center method. Okay, so draw one horizontal line and mark or take a point A. So this is the 4 center method for isometric view of a circle. Okay, is draw one vertical line. The length of this line equal to 60, and after that so take 30 degrees by using protractor and draw 60 line. Draw 60 line. So this is a vertical position. So in this video I drawn vertical position as well as horizontal position. So this is a vertical position. So and after that so take a 60 and draw vertical line. Okay, yes, join from here to here, join from here to here. Okay, so this is a vertical position. Okay, so this is the 30 degrees with the horizontal. Then see here, so diameter of the circle equals 60 so that you can take length of AB, BC, CD. AB equal to 60 directly, 60 directly. So in case of 50 given in this question, you can take AB equal 50. But in this question 60 given, so that I taken AB equal to 60. Then AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA equal 60 Okay, then 60 equal to circle dia. Then so after that so draw the diagonals. Draw the diagonals like this, AC and BD. AC and BD. So this is the 4 center method. 4 center method. Okay, so after that so take 30 and mark the midpoints, okay, of AB line, BC line and CD line and DA line like this. So mark the midpoint of AB and BC and CD and DA line. Okay, the next one is, see here, so B after that so draw a line from D to E like this, from D to E and D to F, D to E and D to E and D to F. Yes, draw the lines from D, okay, D point to E and F. So similarly, so draw the two vertical lines, okay, so from B, okay, B to H and B to G. Just draw the opposite lines. This is the I and this one is the J. Okay, yes, draw the arc. So take IE radius like this and draw the arc. Take IE radius and draw the arc like this. So IE or IH, so take any radius, just draw the arc. So I is the center point of the arc. So don't draw the by the hand, okay, use compass only. Okay, so again take JF radius and draw the arc like this. After that draw the remaining arcs like this from B and from D. So from D, yes, draw the arc like this. So this is the vertical position of the isometric view of a circle. Isometric view of a circle for 4 center method. 4 center method. 4 center method. This is a very important. Okay. Yes. So next one is a horizontal position. So this is the vertical position, means front view. Okay, so AB is the front view. So horizontal position means top view. Then see the procedure how to draw this. So top view of this isometric view of a circle. So draw horizontal line. Okay, so take a point A is the reference point, and so take AB and BD is inclined 30 degrees to the horizontal line. Okay, so measure the 30 at right side of the point A and left side point of the A, like this is 30, and draw inclined lines, or draw the lines. The length of the line equal to 60 mm. The length of the line equal to 60. So why we are taking the 60 mm? So 60 mm is the diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle. So very simple. Just draw the AB and AD line inclined to the horizontal. Inclined to the horizontal line. Yes, this one also 30. Okay, and again measure the 30 degrees from this point. This is the position of protractor. Yes, draw a line with 60 mm. Draw a line. Okay, so with 60 mm like this. Okay, so after that, so join from here to here. So join from here to here. Okay, let's draw the diagonals. Draw the diagonals like this. Okay, yes, this is the point A, this is the point C, this is the point D. So draw the diagonals. Okay, the length of AB equals 60. Draw the diagonals like this. So after that, so mark the midpoint of AB. Take 30 and mark the midpoint of AB and BC and CD and DA. Okay, yes, this is the point is E, F, G, H. Okay, so after that, okay, draw a line from point A to G. Okay, and from point A to F. So similarly, so take a point C. So draw a line from C to H and C to E. This is the 4 center method. So this method is known as 4 center method. 4 center method. And this is the intersection point is I and J. I and J. Draw the arc from point I and from point I like this. Yes, and draw the arc from point J. So take J of radius. Okay, so after that, so draw remaining arcs like this. So draw the arc from point A and from point C like this. From point A and point C like this. Okay, this is the 4 center method and top view of a circle. Okay, this is the 4 center method.